Ahí te lo van a bajar de precio, tú no.
Is this your sale?
Yes, it is.
How much is the Pendleton?
You know, my brother-in-law got me this for Christmas.
Oh.
I think I wore it once, and the wool, I couldn't use, you know, the wool.
Yeah.
So, you know what? How about 5?
That sounds good. That's beautiful, though. I mean, the pattern-wise, yeah, it just looks awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll take it. I'm gonna keep looking, though.
Okay.
You don't have any video games lying around, do you?
Oh, no. In fact, we sent them to my grandson.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he's up in Idaho and kind of away from his family.
Give him something to do.
His job and yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
He doesn't have a girlfriend anymore, so
Oh.
yeah, it was one of those to take you for a ride deal, you know.
Yeah, I've been through one of those myself before.
Yeah, so he just walked out and left everything. He was an alcoholic and then he stopped.
Ooh.
Yeah, so he just had too much of it. It hurt him to do it. I'll go.
Oh, sorry.
I'll be right
I'm
back.
sorry. No, I'm just looking around.
Ready?
What? Break 5. Doesn't the blue locks do the same thing? Look at one West, I think you paid $2,500 for it. Do they work?
When half of it works, the other half doesn't.
I usually do that.
Oh my God, I need to fix. How much time?
I think all these.
This one doesn't.
Don't. It's more good. Yeah, it's got the residue in there. It's got a loose ball.
Oh, it's up?
Oh no, it's flush.
It's good?
Look.
Oh. Is there stuff out there? Yes. But here?
algo que les gusta, me dicen, ¿eh?
Hey, getting down there, huh? Yeah, getting rid of some stuff. Them are from the 40s.
Yeah, these are old.
Yeah, they're old.
How much you asking for them?
What are you offering me?
I don't know.
How about $5?
Okay.
And then won't have them no more.
How much are the Christmas decorations up there? Like the plastic ones with the stakes? They're up against the wall there. The pillar, I mean.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
How many do you want?
All of them. Well, depending on the price, I should say.
I did a nice job, didn't I?
Yeah, you did pretty good.
Yeah, so you just stick them in the ground. 6 of them? $10.
Okay.
You can take them all.
Okay, I'll take them. I'm gonna keep looking.
You're taking that.
Yeah, and then I got some other stuff from over there. Is this the same sale?
It's all the same.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, with her, I got these clothes and the.
The woman's in there.
Yeah, I saw she was.
My favorite shirt he's taken.
Which one?
That blue one.
Oh, the Wrangler one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice print on there.
Yeah, it is.
It's got the pearl snaps too, so.
Yep.
So, okay, cool. I'll take all those Christmas guys and I'll keep looking.
How much are the nutcrackers?
Oh, they range from $2 to $50. Well, I think the $50 one's gone. That's 15.
I'm just gonna set this stuff over here.
Dad?
Here you go, ma'am. Here's a box for you.
Oh, I just got that one.
Which one?
Right over there.
Where's
Just
that?
going up. Just them filling out.
Oh, okay. All right, what would you want?
How much these ones are?
Didn't realize they were there. I don't know, how about $1 a piece? Sound okay with you? Oh, that's sold, I'm sorry. That goes with that whole pile there.
Where?
Behind them, that whole pile of stuff.
Oh.
What they are is most of them are little houses.
Yeah.
This big village. I just ain't had a chance to. By the time the afternoon comes, I've had it.
The weather will take it out of you.
Well, with the heat and that, you know. And this is not a good time to really have a yard sale, but we sold the house and we ain't got no choice.
It's a good time to sell. Perfect time. Markets has never been stronger.
Well, everybody's been cooped up so long. It's just, you know, people want to get out.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yeah. I was dreaming about the cushions at home.
Oh, yeah.
On the cooler? That's hilarious. Okay. Awesome.
Take the bar. You'll probably need it.
How much are the Kool-Aid cups?
What are you saying?
How much are the Kool-Aid? These are like the Kool-Aid man.
Oh, I don't know.
So you have two of them. You have two pitchers and then all the cups.
3 pitchers and that, all this?
Yeah.
I don't know, $5.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Probably classic, is it?
They're just kind of cool.
They're kind of, yeah, I guess.
Something from
Be
your
good for kids, wouldn't
yeah,
it?
something for your past kind of.
Yeah.
So. Okay, I'll take all these.
Morning.
Morning.
You're up.
Good.
Yes, you got it. I'll put this one back here though. It's in here.
Oh, they are? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, those are yours.
She'll sell them to you after she pays, though.
Yeah.
If you want to double up.
Oh, that's there. Okay. I'll keep that one. What there was.
Those are my square dance clothes.
I know. I'm like, man, these look like.
Yeah, and my one petticoat's left.
Oh.
And then I've got all the belts and stuff over there.
So no more square dancing for you, huh?
Well, there's no place around here.
Nobody's doing it.
I think in some of the mobile home parks.
Oh, they probably have like little events.
I think
Yeah.
they have. Yeah.
Where are you guys moving to?
Well, we're moving into our trailer now.
Oh, traveling.
Yeah, we're gonna travel until we decide exactly where we want to settle.
Well, that'll be cool. I mean, hopefully.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's the plan.
That's the plan, but we're not usually here this time of the year.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me. That was a sign for that.
Yeah, I thought so.
Every summer we're gone for 6 months.
Yeah. Just traveling around.
Oh yeah, going quite a few places. We've been a lot of places. All over the States, all over Canada, Alaska, New Zealand, Australia.
Oh, geez.
We didn't take the trailer there, but we're thinking about renting one down there. Yeah, I loved it down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you loved frogs too, huh?
It's
I
to me,
did,
my
but that's not all. There's more boxes.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
Yeah, and it's just everybody got them.
Yeah, once they know you like something, everyone buys you it.
Everybody got them.
Because my mom likes frogs and she likes snowmen. And everyone that ever knew her would just get her that. And then she's like, I don't really like them that much anymore. Like, not to the point where you have to, everything you see that has a frog on it, I want it, you know? And she's like, what do I do with all this stuff?
Oh, look at there. There's pens,
Yep.
pencils, all kinds of stuff.
Like it started off as a small little thing and then all of a sudden it's like, I don't need it.
I started
Yeah.
with just a little pen.
Before you know it, everything you own is frogs.
Froggy on me.
Exactly. Okay, so I got the Christmas stuff for 10 out there.
They got what?
The Christmas stuff for 10 out there.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then we got 5.
It's 15.
And then I found this guy in the Halloween bin, but that'll be 20 right there.
20,
And she said 5 on this, so that's 25. And then I got 2 shirts, 2 hats, and this guy.
oh, 30. How's that?
Okay.
Is that
And how
all right?
much is the big pumpkin?
The big what?
The big pumpkin?
Oh, I don't know. $5.
Okay, so 35. Can you guys break if I give you 2 20s, can you give me 5 back?
I imagine I could.
Okay then.
You taking the big
I just
pumpkin?
look.
Yeah, the big one.
Okay.
I just happen to have a 5.
Perfect.
How's that?
Awesome. Thank you guys. And good luck with the
you.
move. Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed the video there. That was one garage sale we went to a couple weeks ago. But the thing is I've been so behind on my editing, it took me a while to get to it. Really great sale, really great people. Both the guy and the lady there, they're actually moving. Gonna live the RV life, it sounds like, so that was pretty cool. But found some awesome stuff. Some of it's already sold. We sold about $128. We'll try to put some screenshots up of those Kool-Aid pictures, or like from the 80s, I believe. There were like 3 pictures and then a bunch of different cups, and then 2 of them were like a pink and a purple cup. They sold, I think, for 25. I think I got $60 for the white or off-white or whatever color it is ones, and then I sold one of the other pictures by itself for 35 or something like that. So that was a great deal because it was only $5, and it took me a while to see them. I was so kind of overwhelmed with everything else that was there. I got a bunch of those Christmas decorations, and the Halloween one was awesome. They haven't sold yet. I've gotten a couple of $40 offers on the Halloween item online, but that's with free shipping, so I'm not gonna, it's probably gonna cost us $20-25 to ship it. Even though it's super long, it weighs basically barely anything, so even FedEx and UPS should be pretty affordable. Same with the Christmas signs, they're really not too heavy, they're just large, so I loaded all those together. We also sold those Noma light bulbs. I think I paid $5 for those as well, and they ended up selling for $79 on the best offer. I had auctioned them at like $75 free shipping, no buyers. Went to buy it now and listed them for like $90 and took a best offer of $79. So again, 5 and a $79 is awesome. We're over $200 in sales for our $35 investment. The big pumpkin, you may have seen that. We'll probably sell that locally for $20 or so. I usually can move some of those blow mold type items around the holiday season, whatever's coming up, and you can make a few bucks there. You could sell it, but it's a huge one. I mean, you probably saw it. It was very large. And then there was an awesome Pendleton. I'm hoping that'll go for 100 to 150 maybe. I listed it really high, hoping to take a best offer on that. The Wrangler maybe 20 or 25. And I didn't really even get the Grinch shirt listed yet. It has a small stain on it, so I'm going to try to get that out. But I think it's from 1995, so I figured it was worth grabbing. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Hopefully we'll have some more of these videos up. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.